Want to add an extra layer of privacy to your profile? Today I am here to walk you through the steps to hide your profile picture on Facebook. Let's dive in. First, please open up your Facebook app on your mobile or head to the Facebook website on your computer. Once you are logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your name or profile picture. Now tap on your profile picture and click on the option of See Profile Picture. Now click on the three dots shown in the top right corner of the screen. After you click that, there are various options available. Please click on Edit Privacy. Now there you will typically have the choice to make it visible to public, friends or only me. Choose Only Me if you want to hide your profile picture from everyone except yourself. You can also hide your profile picture from the profile. Please click on the three dots again and there you see Hide from Profile. Please click on Hide from Profile if you want to hide this picture from your profile. Yes, click on Hide. And there you have it with just few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like our video. Now go ahead and protect your privacy with confidence. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.